All right, so for number 36, Mr. Lorenzo gave his two sons $50 to buy a cooler. The total cost for the cooler is $44. Mr. Lorenzo told his sons that they could each have an equal share of the change they receive. The equation shown can be used to determine S, the amount of money each son should receive in dollars. So here I have son, which is S equals, in parentheses, 50 minus 44 divided by 2. What amount of money is represented by S? Okay, so this is kind of a PEMDAS, right? So I'm going to put P, PEM. We don't use the E, so I'm going to cross that out. MDOS. What I want you to do is to get in the habit of writing this down. I want you to, this is for parentheses, but also know for brackets. So you got to go to the brackets and to the parentheses. You're going to multiply or divide. So either one from left to right. Then you're going to add or subtract either one from left to right. So whatever you need to do to remember that, you need to get that done. This looks like, doesn't look kind of canard there. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to go to, I have my P. I don't have any brackets, but I have the parentheses. So what is 50 minus 44? Remember, you can count up 44, then 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So you're 6 away from 50. So I'm going to bring this down here, and I'm putting parentheses 6 because that's where I was at, divided by 2. And so S equals, do you see how you're just going to bring everything down? S divided by 2 equals 3. So each son will receive $3. So that was pretty easy, right? Remember that we said that division is the same as repeated subtraction. So here, if you're not sure, you have 6 minus 2, that's one group, that equals 4, minus 2, that equals 2, minus 2, that equals 0. So you're going to count the number of the groups of 2. So I have one group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So my answer is, this is 1, 1, and 1. That gives me 3 holes, which matches here and here. Remember, division is the same thing as repeated subtraction. I'm going to take my divisor and subtract that out from my dividend till I get to a number that is going to be less than my divisor, 0, or less than my divisor, because it may be a remainder. But here, there's no remainder. It's just 3. All right, there you go for that last one. See you later.